Good morning, children. Continuing lesson number 2, our today's topic of discussion is nitrogen cycle. First of all, what is nitrogen cycle? It is just the continuous circulation of nitrogen through living and non-living components of biosphere. So, through this process, the nitrogen is converted into the various forms. So nitrogen cycle include nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. So it, as you know, that there is 78% of nitrogen gas in the atmosphere. So, like the other gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, this nitrogen gas is also a very essential constituent of all living things as a part of the protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid, and vitamin. But children, as we consume directly the atmospheric oxygen, but in case of nitrogen, we cannot directly consume, though it is 78%, but it is not directly consumed by plants and animal. First it has to be converted into its various simpler forms, only then it will be consumed by plants and animals. So this is, we are going to start with nitrogen cycle. First of all, the compounds which are of nitrogen which are present in soil, they will be taken up by plants. These plants will be eaten up by herbivores, and herbivores will be further eaten by carnivores. When the animals, they will eat this plant, these compounds of nitrogen, they will go into animals body, and when they will excrete out these nitrogenous compounds, or sometimes there may be death of plants and animals, again all these nitrogenous compounds, they will go back into the soil, this is the first way how these compounds, they are broken up into the simpler form and how they are consumed. Secondly, there are some bacteria present in the soil which convert these nitrogenous compound into the gaseous nitrogen. This atmospheric nitrogen, it will be again broken up into the simpler forms by these bacteria which is present in the root nodules of the plants and plants. So these plants belongs to the Leguminosae family. These bacteria which are in the root nodules of the plant, they convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compounds, and again these nitrogenous compounds go back into the soil. Thirdly, what happens during lightning? So during lightning, you know that there is a very high temperature during lightning. During this high temperature, a reaction occur between the nitrogen and oxygen present in the air to produce the oxides of nitrogen. So these lightning, this also converts the complex nitrogenous compound into the simpler, and again they will go into the soil. So this is a way, means this is just a cycle which is going on, that how this atmospheric nitrogen, it is converted into simpler nitrogenous compound. So we have discussed three ways. Thank you children, that's all for the day.